Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a clothing haul for you guys. So many of you ask me where I get like my pieces and different things. So this is going to be like a plus size haul, clearly because I am plus size now. I'm gonna start with Reb Dolls. So Reb Dolls is a store that carries all sizes. They are an online store, but they recently opened up a location, I want to say in Harlem. I'm from Jersey, so it's not too far from me. It's about a 2-hour drive, an hour and 45 minutes, something like that. But I have yet to go. I was invited to one of their events and I couldn't make it. I do shop there a lot at their online store. I'm obsessed. I've been shopping at Reb Dolls since they started, since they first got an Instagram page and started their online site, I believe. So I feel like I am pretty good at choosing items from them and picking sizes and stuff like that. So I do have a picture for everything I'm going to show you, because obviously I'm not putting this stuff on in the video. But I think I've worn almost everything on here. If I haven't, I'll let you know. But I'm just going to show you the piece and then insert a picture somewhere of what I looked like when I was wearing it. So the first piece is this black long sleeve maxi dress. I got this from Reb Dolls. It is a 1X. I am obsessed with this dress. I will absolutely wear it again, probably in Miami or something. It is long sleeve, so it's more of a night dress if you're gonna wear it in the summer. I think I did wear it in the summer last year, but I loved it. So I wore it to a red carpet event I attended in New York for a talk show that I was on like last year, and they loved it. I loved it. It photographed so well. I'll insert a picture somewhere. It has these holes here, like in the tummy area. So I was a little worried because I was like, is this gonna look right? Because, you know, I don't have the flattest stomach in the world. But it actually photographed and looked really nice. I will say Reb Dolls is pretty true to size. A 1X for me is like an extra large, even though they do, I believe they have extra larges. Sometimes they're extra large, or do they? I will link them down below. You can sort of check for yourself. Their extra large might be a 1X, or they might just go large, 1X, and so on. Some places do, some places don't. But again, I got this at Reb Dolls. Loved this dress. It's cotton, I believe. It's very stretchy. It's very, very true to size, and I absolutely will wear it again. I only wore it once, but I loved it. So pretty. And I didn't really accessorize it too much, so if I do wear it again, I might do like a nice necklace. Who knows? The next piece, oh, I love this outfit. It's so cute. So these are like long, wide leg pants. They're high-waisted. And then there's just like this ruffle crop top. You guys will see how much I love ruffles throughout this video, because there's a lot of ruffles in this video. So yeah, this is a ruffle crop top. It goes with the pants. They no longer have this on the site or the dress I just showed you. So let me just say that real quickly, you guys. A lot of the stuff I'm going to show you guys is pretty much gone on the site. But I wanted to do this video because I wanted to show you guys that these stores do have options. So some of the stuff you can find really similar pieces to on Reb Dolls, because they pretty much make the same thing over and over based on what I've seen. They just make it in different colors. They'll make it in a dress form, a pants form, a shorts form. So if you're looking for something similar to this, you'll probably find it. But this specific outfit I don't believe is available anymore, but you can find something really similar on the site. I think they still have the dress, to be honest. It's a dress just like this, but this is the pants version of it. So I love this. I'll insert a picture so you guys can see what it looked like on, but I just kind of wanted you guys to get an idea of how their clothes fit and, you know, what they look like. The next dress I'm going to show you guys is pretty much the same thing as that purple. I think this did come in purple, but in a longer form. This was the mini dress, ruffles off the shoulders just like the other outfit. I wore this to a Wu-Tang Clan like meet and greet situation I did in Miami during Art Basel, and it was so cute. So perfect for Miami. Totally a cute outfit. I'll show you guys somewhere a picture, but this is one of my favorite little dresses. I'll be wearing this again too, probably like on vacation or something. Here is another dress I wore to Art Basel. So basically this is an off the shoulders dress, but also has like a crisscross in the front, I think. Yeah, this was the front. So it has like a crisscross in the front and straps in the back, but these go off your shoulders. I'll insert a picture so you can see. I also wore this during Art Basel, and this one is a little bit more of, it's a longer dress. it's past your knees. I forget what those dresses are called, but it goes past the knee, but slightly above the ankle, so it's not like a maxi dress, and it's not a knee dress or a mini dress. I forget what those dresses are called. If you guys remember, comment down below. But yeah, it's a little bit past the knees. Well, no, not a little bit. It's a lot past the knees. But it's a really cute, like, nice little dinner dress, especially if you're going out. They might still have this. I'm not 100% sure. And then the next outfit is exactly the same thing as the black one, but in pants form. So this was like a wide leg. I wore this to the Black Panther premiere. My boyfriend, I don't know if you guys know this, but he is Big Mac from 99 Jams Miami. That's why I'm in Miami so much, you guys, in case you're wondering. I wore this to the Black Panther premiere because he was able to get me tickets. My girlfriend and I went out and I wore this. Super cute, same thing, off the shoulders with a strap in the front, wide leg, fits nice in the waist. Super, super cute outfit. I'm still shining, you guys. I feel like I was super shining. I had to go kind of blot my face a little bit. Am I in focus? Okay, so that is all for Reb Dolls. I typically shop there a lot. I have other pieces from them, but I didn't think they were necessary to show because I don't have them at all. But this stuff you can still sort of find on their website. The next piece I'm obsessed with. Saw this in Target on the mannequin, walked in, said need it, got it, loved it. Fits so pretty. I have not worn it yet, but stay tuned because girlfriend is going to be wearing this suit. It is like an oversized blazer. I got it in a 2XL on purpose because I wanted it to be oversized. I could have fit the extra large, but personally I wanted it to be like in that oversized look so I can wear it again with other things. And then it comes with high-waisted, like, sort of gaucho dress pants, I guess they would be considered. But these are super cute as well. I probably will wear this for Easter. If not, I don't know, maybe the next time I go to Florida, but this is gonna get worn. We're gonna do some pictures, you know how I do on my Insta. Definitely a really cute outfit for spring. So this dress is special to me because I wore this on Dr. Oz for my first episode of Dr. Oz. I don't know if you guys know this, but I do different appearances on Dr. Oz quite often now. So I have purchased a lot of business-like clothing. I'm only showing you guys this dress out of that bunch because I got this at New York & Company, and I wanted you guys to see that I didn't know that New York & Company carried my size. So I was a little like, okay, and it was only like 20-something bucks. It's a size large. So clearly this is a little bigger because I'm more of an extra large. It has pockets. It's just a very chill, like, fun dress to wear, and it goes like right past the knee, so it's perfect for like a business situation. You could wear it to work with some cute little tights and flats or heels, however you want to do it. But I just thought this was a super cute little dress. I will insert a picture of it so you guys can see how I wore it on Dr. Oz. And then I just have these dress pants that I'm obsessed with. I got these at New York & Company as well. Oh, I love silk. These are a large as well, so their large is like a 12, 14, assuming. So that's pretty much what size I wear. These were super long. I did kind of ruin the bottom of them a little because I wore them to my best friend's birthday party. Well, they're not ruined, they're just a little, I just have to kind of like pick this off. I wore these to my best friend's 30th with a silk robe and like a little bustier, and it was so cute. I will insert a picture of that as well. Well, actually a bustier like bodysuit, super cute. And then I got these at New York & Company as well. Red is so in this season, so obviously I don't think for spring, but for winter red was totally in. I've never worn these, so I might save them for next winter. I might still be able to get them in before winter is officially gone because we've been having some bizarre weather. But they have this silk little belt that goes with them, and they are high-waisted dress pants. They were so pretty. I just have to find the right outfit or the right ensemble, you know, to go with it, but I thought it was super cute. I might do a bodysuit again. So before we get into these next outfits, I just wanted to say that Fashion to Figure no longer exists in the sense of whether their own store. I think they have merged now with New York & Company, which is exciting for me because I love that store, but everybody isn't too thrilled about that, so I just kind of wanted to throw that in there just in case you guys are like, Fashion to Figure doesn't exist anymore. They do still exist. From what I heard, they're opening up in this year, and they're going to be merging with New York & Company, but I noticed on their site that they're a little more expensive than they were before, so FYI. This is a maxi, like, I don't know, what do you call this, like sheer jacket thing, but it's so cute. I have yet to figure out what I'm going to wear it with. You could totally wear it as a beach cover up, but I'll probably just do some cute tights and a shirt. I don't know. I haven't figured out how I want to style it just yet, but I thought it was super cute, so I had to pick it up. This I wore to the Bravo and Bella magazine party. I couldn't remember. My sister was on Housewives of Beverly Hills one night for this Bravo and Bella magazine event, and I think it was Dorit, I don't know her name, I don't watch that show that much, but it was like a cover party for her. She was on the cover, so my sister and I went because it was work for my sister, and I just wore this, again, ruffles off the shoulders again. This is sort of like this, almost the same thing as that thing I got from, that I got from Reb Dolls, but this one is just a different material, and it's a little more like, it looks a little more expensive. I don't know what else to say. So it's really cute. I really liked how it looked. I'll insert a picture of what it looked like on the red carpet, but you know, just a nice little chill dress outfit. If you're going to dinner or an event, you could wear it to either. And then this bad boy is a jumpsuit that I got from Fashion to Figure as well. I don't know if they still have it. I wore this for a shoot I did with the Jersey Gardens Mall. I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but I team up with him a lot and I do different things. So when I had to do this photo shoot for the mall, this is one of the outfits that I wore. The shoot focused more on shoes, so we brought our own clothes and they provided the shoes and stuff for us. So yeah, I got this jumpsuit from Fashion to Figure and I fell in love. Sorry about the lighting, you guys, sort of washing me out here, but yeah, this is one of my favorite jumpsuits. It's very low. I didn't wear it that way for the shoot, but if you want to be sexy, you could tape the boobies up and do it that way. I usually just pin it, you know, church girl style. Don't wear my boobs out like that. And then this last dress is from Forever 21 Plus. So this is a oh my gosh, no wonder it's so big. It's a 2X. This is a little big for me. I did wear it to, what did I wear this to? I wore this out for my sister's birthday one night, and it is a little big in the bottom area. Up top, it actually fits pretty good. Forever 21, their plus size section. I'm actually wearing a Forever 21 maxi right now from the plus size section. I just feel like if their clothes fit weird, so I try not to shop there too much when it comes to plus size clothing. I have to literally try it on before I walk out of the store with it, because you know their return policy, and I'm not trying to be stuck with nothing. So, you know, so it's really just exchange only. So I always try stuff on. I did try this on, but I figured I could get away with it. I was 10 pounds heavier than what I am now, so it did fit, but it was big like in the shoulders area, because it's like those poofy shoulders, but it was a little loose in here, a little loose in the tummy and waist area. So I mean, if I keep dropping weight, well, I will be, because I'm on a diet plan, but the more I drop weight, I know this might just be one of those once-in-a-lifetime outfits that I wore and probably will never wear again because it won't fit me. So that is everything. I wanted to show you guys these pieces because I get so many questions on where I shop and then just the different things that I pick up. So I hope that this video was insightful and helpful to you girls who are looking for more plus-size clothing. I will post all the links down below to each store. I cannot guarantee you guys that all of this stuff is available for purchase, unfortunately. I just wanted to give you guys, you know, places that you can shop other than the typical, you know, videos that you see on YouTube. Reb Dolls and Fashion to Figure and Forever 21 and Target and New York and Company, they all carry plus size clothing that are really cute. It's just about finding the right pieces that fit your body for your body type. For me, I am a busty girl, clearly. I'm bigger up top than I am down the bottom, as you guys can see. So for me, I have to kind of really try stuff on before I leave the store with it. So ordering online is a bit hard for me, but these are stores that I trust. Now that I've tried their clothes, especially Reb Dolls, I order from them all the time. I will actually have a link to Reb Dolls underneath this video for you guys where you can purchase their clothes and stuff, because I highly, highly, highly recommend them for anyone who's plus size. The materials, usually in the cotton range, sometimes they have other materials, but everything's pretty stretchy, pretty good fitting. You don't really have any issues with it. So yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.